Hello everyone, welcome back to University Study Guide YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about the PhD admission notification for the year 2021 that has come out from Kalinga Institute of Social Science, and short form it is CASE. So it is situated at Bhubaneswar, Odisha. So in this video we are going to discuss the admission notification that has come out for PG, that is MA, MSc and MCom, and also MPhil and PhD. So all total 23 subjects are available. So we'll check all the important dates, admission procedure, everything we are going to discuss. So please watch this video till the end so that you will get all the notification and information regarding this video. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all the latest notification regarding different PhD, UG, PG admissions and career related education related news in different reputed universities in India and abroad. So here is our official YouTube channel. You can see our past videos, and please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So let's begin the video. So as you can see, we are into the official website of this CASE website. Alright. So in this video, we are going to check the admission for the MPhil PhD program. So here there is a notification in the downside. There is a pop-up. Okay, once you click on that, you can come to this page. So this is the official notification. As you can see, let us zoom this notification bit so that you will get the information correctly. So here you can see the Kalinga Institute of Social Science, Bhubaneswar, Odisha, started in the year 1992 and 93 by a visionary educationalist, Dr. Achyuta Samant, and it is situated in Bhubaneswar. Okay, so currently the CASE deemed to be University of Bhubaneswar, Odisha invites application through online mode from the aspiring poor tribal children of India and other countries belonging to BPL categories. BPL it is below poverty line categories, for the admission of PG, MA, PG courses, that is for MA, MSc, MCom, MPhil and PhD. Alright, so it is basically for the tribal categories and the BPL categories and the poor tribal children. Alright, so this is the number of the topics you can see, 7, and if you see the interdisciplinary areas, political science, philosophy, history, education, okay, home science, psychology, English, Odia, Sanskrit, Hindi, sociology, anthropology, social work, commerce, geography, economics. So like this, all subjects are given. You can check it. So there are around 7 schools there. You can check: School of Tribal Culture, School of Tribal Heritage and Tribal Indologies. Like this, 7 schools are available. So these are the important dates. So this is the important date for PhD application. It is already started from 25th August and it will be end on 15th September. Alright, so PG, the dates is already started. MPhil also, the date of application, online application is already started. So you can check that the last date of the admission process. Okay, so here you can check the entrance examination for the admission process. So it will be on 23rd September for the PhD, 23rd September for MPhil and 3rd September for the PG admissions. Okay, so after that the personalized interview will be done, selection of the result will be done. Okay, orientation program, induction program and everything will be done after that. So you can check the important dates in this notification. So how to apply? Alright, so there is a form you need to submit here. Like in this page, here you can check the UG, PG and PhD admission is already there. So if you have already submitted, then you can take a printout right? But if you are new to this page, then click on this. There you can check your stream, let's say arts. So you can check the subjects. Okay, check the subjects and which subject you want to submit, then submit. So I'm just giving a sample, so you can check it from there. Okay, so here you can say Doctor of Philosophy admission, Doctor of Philosophy, that is PhD admission, stream it is arts as I have chose. Okay, so latest institution attended, there you can check applicant name, father's name, like the other formats it is given, right? The annual income it is given, right? So here another thing it is added, are you a COVID orphan? So if you are falling in this category, then you can check yes or no. Okay, so like this all your marks will be included. Your documents you need to include, like the research proposal within 200 characters, you need to upload this. Okay, bank accounts, everything you need to upload. Applicant photo, 10th mark sheet, income, e-income photo, okay, resident photo, caste photo, ration card photo, Aadhaar card photo. So everything you need to fill it up and have a preview, check it once you fill the application and then submit. Okay, so this is the notification for this MPhil, PG, MPhil and PhD courses for 2021-2022. so there you can check, it's a big university, deemed university, and it is the largest free residential education institution for more than 70,000 poorest and poor indigenous children and youth in the world. Okay, presently 30,000 tribal children out of 60% are girls are being imparted holistically education in the class 1 to PhD along with the vocational training. Okay, so they're giving the free programs. So for the more details you can check their website, and here is a contact information also, you can check, you can call on this number if you want, and there is the office, this is the official website. So I'll put this link in the description so that you can go and click it. So I hope you like this information, and if you like this, then please press the like button and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all the latest notifications regarding different UG PG admissions and PhD admissions in reputed universities in India and abroad. So you can also join our Telegram and other social media handles, links are in the description, and check our past videos so that you will get the PG and UG admissions and PhD admission notifications from reputed universities. So with this, thank you for watching this video. See you soon in another video.